Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see few letter writing examples or email writing examples in German because we need it for German with a A1 level exam. So there will be this task of letter writing or email writing. So I will share few examples with you so you will get idea that how to write a letter or you can say email, right? So we'll start with few examples, then you will get to know. Now, first one is, schreiben Sie Ihre Freunde eine Einladung zu einer Geburtstagfeier. Now you will have to invite your friends, okay? Write to them and invite them for your birthday party. Schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt ein bis zwei Sätze. You will have to write one or two sentences for each point. Circa 30 Wörter, meaning approximately 30 words. Sagen Sie, wo machen Sie Ihre Party? Where are you doing your party? Then wann machen Sie Ihre Party? When are you doing your party? Where, when, and wer soll was mitbringen? Who should bring and what? Okay, so these are the points that you will have to cover it, and approximately it should be for 30 words. Okay, now the next example is Sie möchten einen Deutschkurs besuchen. Now you want to visit or you want to do one German course. Schreiben Sie eine E-Mail an die Sprachschule. You have to write one email to language school. There is a language school called All About Deutsch in Berlin, and you have to write to them. Schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt ein bis zwei Sätze. Again, the same thing. You will have to write one or two sentences for each point, circa 30 Wörter, approximately 30 words. Wann möchten Sie den Kurs machen? When do you want to do the course? Then the next one is Information bezüglich das Wochenwohnheim. You will have to write about the information about regarding your stay there, okay? Whether it's a dormitory or hostel, whatever. And the last one is Informationen über Termin und Preise. Now here you want the information about the appointment and the price of the course, okay? So these points you will have to cover in this example. Now here there is one more example of you can say letter writing, email writing again. We'll see that. Schreiben Sie eine E-Mail an die Wohnungsagentur Haussucher in München. Wohnungsagentur meaning housing agency. So here the task is you will have to write email to this housing agency called Haussucher in München, meaning in Munich. Schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt ein bis zwei Sätze. Again, the same thing. You will have to write one or two sentences for each point, circa 30 Wörter, approximately 30 words. Now, which points you will have to cover? Sagen Sie, Sie suchen ein Apartment für 3 Monate. You are looking for an apartment for 3 months. Okay. Sie wollen in München eine Kurs besuchen, meaning you want to do one course in Munich. Ankunft, when is your arrival? Anfang, when are you starting? And phone. Phone is from your name and info@hausuka.de. So this email you will have to write for this to this housing agency. Okay, so these are the few examples we have seen, and in some other video we'll see more examples regarding this letter writing and email writing. Okay, so that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye bye.